Teacher, student, we began this evening with the headstand. Interlock the fingers, lift yourself up with your feet into a straight line. The headstand, the therapeutic effect of the headstand emphasizes here the brain, which supplies with blood and prana. The most important organ of our earthly existence is the brain. The brain, as we focus more on the headstand brings abundance of flow of blood to the brain, to the eyes, to ears, nose, mouth, tonsil, thyroid. Children are assured perfect development of the brain, and adults, the maiden seal of mental health. Until we meet again, my name is Isaac the Yogi. Namaste.